Okay, so last year Kerry took home, after paying all her taxes, £12,000. She spent 35% this on rent, and the rest was split between living expenses, clothes and entertainment, split in this ratio. So first of all, let's find out how much she spent on rent. So the rent is 35% of 12,000. Now, if it's a calculator question, we can just do 35%, which is 0.35, and times it by 12,000. That's the quickest way. But let's assume we haven't got a calculator for this question. So we can work out 10%, which is 1,200. So therefore 5% would be half of that, so it'd be 600. And 30% would be 3 lots of 10, so it's 3,600. So 35% would end up being these two put together, which is £4,200. So that's how much she pays on rent. So therefore she's left with, after paying her rent, her mortgage, whatever she's paying, is 12,000, take away 4,200, which equals, if you work it out, it's £7,800, whichever way you work it out. So now this £7,800 got to be split in the ratio 8:3:2. Okay, so again, whenever we've got a ratio question, always do a table: living expenses, clothes, entertainment, and we know their ratio is 8:3:2. I would always suggest you put a total column, so 8 bits, 3 bits and 2 bits is 13 altogether. Now we know the total amount of money she's got to spend is 7,800. So what we're looking for is, how do I make this bigger to make it as big as 7,800, and do the same for these three over here. So how many 13s are there in 7,800? So you'd probably need a calculator for this. 7,800 divided by 13, which is 600. So we know that we multiply that by 600, we'll get the total from 13 up to what we want it. So therefore I have to multiply each of these by 600. So I'm going to work out all three, it doesn't ask for that, but 8 times 600 is 4,800. 3 times 600 is 1,800. And 2 times 600 is 1,200. Now if we're being particularly careful, we'd make sure that these three add up to that, which they do, so that's good. Now the question says, how much did she spend on entertainment? So entertainment is this one here. Then don't forget to write down your answer. So entertainment, oh, I could write, would be good. Entertainment is £1,200, or she spent on entertainment.